Adding your mobile number. If your email provider or even any website with pertinent information on it allows you the opportunity to connect your mobile phone number as an extra level of security for your account, it is highly recommended that you take advantage of this option. While you may be wary about actually sharing that personal information with a service provider or website, there's a main reason why you don't usually have to be. When a company offers this feature in terms of account security and layer of protection, they generally have extremely safe methods for storing and protecting your mobile phone number. Generally, the process plays out as such. First, enter your number and choose call with a code or text with a code. Second, click the send or call button. Third, enter the code provided to you. And fourth, click confirm and wait. Your account should be confirmed and connected to your mobile phone number after that general process. This is important because many times you may be able to enable mobile authentication from foreign locations. This means that you can be alerted via mobile anytime there's something going on with your account that may be out of the ordinary. Building on top of that, you can often use your mobile number as a means to reset or gain access to said connected account. In the event that you happen to lose access, your account is stolen or compromised, or you simply forget your password. Anytime you have the opportunity to add or connect a mobile phone to a pertinent account, you should definitely consider doing such.